The discipline Information and Communication Technology. Lection 2, the theme Introduction to Computer Systems, Architecture of Computer Systems. The components of the computer system include hardware, operation system, application software, users people, and other computers on the network. The modern computer system contains the 6 main components. The first, central processor unit. The second, the primary memory. The third, secondary memory. The 4, the input devices. The 5, output devices. The 6, communication devices. In computer system, the binary system is used. That is, all numbers are represented by zeros and ones in the computer. So the computer can only process information presented in digital form. To convert numerical, text, graphic information to digital, you need to apply the encoding. Encoding is the transformation of one type data via another type. In computer systems, a binary coding system is based on the representation of data by the sequence of 2 characters, 1 and 0, which are called binary digits, abbreviature bit. Binary system. For example, translation from binary to decimal. History of the development of the personal computer. Abacus is known to be the first mechanical calculation device. Evolution of computer systems includes the 5 generations. The first generation systems in the late 30s, early 40s. The world's first digital computers began to appear at the end of the Second World War. By today's standards, they were enormous, taking up an area approximately equivalent to that small village hall. ENIAC was the world's first successful electronic computer, which was developed by the 2 scientists, namely Eckert and Mage. It was the beginning of first generation computer. The second generation systems, 50s, semiconductor devices. By 1948, the invention of the transistor greatly changed the computer's development. The transistor replaced a large, cumbersome vacuum tube in televisions, radios, and computers. As a result, the size of electronic machinery has been shrinking ever since. The transistor was at work in the computer by 1956. The third generation system, 16 small integrated circuits. Instruments developed the integrated circuit 1958. Technology of developed computers. Full circuits contain more than one transistor could be fabricated onto a thin chip of semiconductor. As a result, computers became ever smaller. Small components were squeezed onto the chip. These minuscule but nonetheless powerful circuits are called integrated circuits. In IC, combined three electronic components onto a small silicon disk, which was made from quartz. Another third-generation development includes the use of the operation system that allowed machines to run many different programs at once with a central program that monitored and coordinated the computer's memory. System of the fourth generation, 1971. Many of them worked on this basis of microprocessors, advanced integrated microcircuits able to combine the majority of basic functions of the computers in one module. The first personal computer, Altair, is made 1974. System of the fifth generation, the computer of the future. This class of machines, embodying the latest advances in computer technology, is at the center of attention in the development of artificial intellect and other advances archivades. Now a modern computer has circuit of tens million transistors fabricated into a tiny slice of silicon no bigger than small fingernail. This incredible advance in technology has made it possible to incorporate high-end enormous processing power onto tiny mass-produced ICs, enabling today's powerful computers to be built both reliably and at low cost. Another advantage is superconductor technology, which allows the flow of electricity with little or a resistance, greatly improving the speed of information flow. Computer system architecture and components. The architecture of computer systems is their logical organization, structure, and resource that is the means of the computer systems, which can be allocated to the process of data processing for a certain time interval. A computer system has a modular structure. The device controller. The work of each controller is controlled by a driver. The central processor unit. The operative main memory. The system bus. And the ports. the COM ports, communication ports, the LPT ports, parallel port, the SCCI ports and SCCI devices, the videographic adapter port, the IEEA 3094, the motherboard, the HDMI, the Bluetooth, and the infrared port. The main operative memory is the only large part of the memory to which the processor has a direct access. As you know, the content of the main memory is not saved after the system is rebooted or after the computer is turned off. Memory structure. The external memory, hard disk, associative memory cache. Look at the hard disk drive. Look at the hierarchy of storage device. Below are some commonly used types of external memory. The flash memory, the external hard drive and Blu-ray discs. The next slides, modern computer systems. Supercomputers, computer clusters, desktop computers, portable computers, laptops, notebooks, handheld laptops and organizers, PDA, personal digital assistants PDA, mobile devices, mobile phones, communicators, wearable computers and real-time systems. Thank you for your attention.